Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually make or change the RPC on your Metamask wallet to avoid being tracked. So it depends on which network are you on your Metamask wallet. For example, if you are on Polygon, if you are on Ethereum, if you are on Binance or the BNB network, it depends on which RPC you have to choose in order to change it. But the way of changing it, it's pretty simple and pretty straight ahead. So what you have to do is, first of all, if you don't have MetaMask, you just go to MetaMask here and download it from this website. So here you choose either you want it for iOS, Android, or Chrome, and you just install it as an extension for your PCs. So right after that, you will create your account and you import your old account. Now, what you will have to do, guys, is basically open your MetaMask wallet. Close this, and as you can see, here is your wallet, your account, and your coins. It doesn't matter if you are connected or not, because it is not really important now. Now what you have to do is just click on this icon in here, your profile picture on MetaMask. Click on it, go to settings, and from settings search for networks, and then click on the Ethereum mainnet or whatever network you want to change its RPC. So now we choose the Ethereum mainnet, and here is the page that we have here, each detail about this network. So here we have network name, here we have chain ID, currency symbol, block explorer URL, and here we have the RPC URL. So in order to change it, you just have to click on it and change it. Of course, you can't change for this Ethereum mainnet because it is locked and you can't really change it. But if you have Polygon or any other kind of tokens or network on your MetaMask, you can change it. And for example, let's add a new network and let's make it, for example, Polygon. And here let's click approve, switch to Polygon mainnet. Got it. Edit settings. So if you want here to networks, and we choose Polygon, so here as you can see, guys, I can actually change it and do whatever I'd like to do with it. So yeah, guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.